Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Rotaval Stainless Steel sanitary airlock. We're operating on 440 volts. This is a 440 volt only system. You can change that by easily changing the motor. It is explosion proof, please note that, for Class 1 Group D. It's a 143 TC frame, so it will interchange with any standard US motor and mount right there on the flange if you have a different voltage. You notice the two slide bars allows the drive or idler end to open up so you can remove the rotor. This is the rotor removal tool with that. This safety device can be interfaced into your system. The small knurled handle on the right unscrews, removing itself from the rail and allowing you to slide. It does have a seal on each end. This is the little port you see there. The small plug is for an air purge seals, as both sides do have lantern rings. Rotaval is a British made unit. The flanges are 11.5 inch OD, and that's about a 5.5 inch opening through the center of the throat. We have everything in our stock from process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Thanks for joining us for this video today. We look forward to speaking with you.